Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing baked plantain chips. It's so good, it's healthy and it's crispy and it's delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. A very easy recipe. So guys, if you're new here, you are welcome. Just listen to the crunch. Oh my goodness, it's so lovely. Come along with me. So guys, to start, I'll put a little bit of salt in water. Okay, I'm going to put my plantain in it. So I have my plantain and I'm going to just peel it. So this is how I peel my plantain. Just come along. So guys, yes, after peeling the plantain, just make sure there's nothing on it, and then I divide it into two and I put that into the salty water. Yeah, because I want the salty water to go into it nicely. Right, so guys, I use this to cut my plantain. It's so easy, as you can see. I bought this in Lidl if you live in UK. Just look at that. It's very easy to cut. Mine cut it so well. Right guys, so as you can see, it's cut it really nicely and thinly. That is how I like it, and it will make it so nice and crispy. So guys, I'm going to spray a little bit of oil on my chips. Okay, I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. So I'll just put that on and toss it so that the oil has gone into each and every one of these chips so that it will cook nicely. So guys, I have my parchment paper in the tray and I'm going to put all my chips in there. As you can see, yeah, it's so easy to do. Right guys, so this is how it looks. I'm going to put this into the oven at 180 degrees until it's lovely. It's nice and crispy. So guys, this is our crispy baked plantain chips. It tastes amazing. You have to try this recipe and it's so healthy for you. Plantain has got really good benefits for you. So if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications. When I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching. May God richly bless you. Bye.